We often get asked how an end user can go about using the SCT tuning software and hardware to make tuning changes to their own late model Ford vehicle. Now, traditionally, the SCT tuning model is really more aligned with a workshop. So you can buy a tuning package if you're a workshop, allowing you access to tuning a wide range of Ford vehicles. In this case, what the shop owner will do is purchase a hand controller for each vehicle that they want to tune. This hand controller or module will then remain with the vehicle, and this actually gives the customer quite a few advantages. In particular, it allows multiple tunes to be loaded onto the same module, and this allows, for example, the owner of the vehicle to have a tune for low octane fuel, as well as potentially ethanol or race fuel if they head to the racetrack. Another really nice advantage though is that the SCT hand controller is also Wi-Fi enabled. Now, by connecting the device to a Wi-Fi network, this allows the module to always stay up to date, updating its firmware seamlessly in the background. But the nice feature here is that the customer can then make log files when they're out on the racetrack or out on the road. These log files can then be uploaded from the device straight to the cloud, and this allows the workshop owner to then download these log files and review them, even when the customer may potentially be on the other side of the world. After reviewing the log files and making any necessary changes, an updated calibration file can then be uploaded by the workshop owner back to the cloud. This is linked to the SCT hand controller via a serial number. The customer can then download the updated file and then load that into their ECU. This allows a lot of flexibility in terms of making small adjustments to a vehicle that may not be easily returned to the workshop for tuning to be completed. The SCT tuning model is generally more designed around a workshop owner who's going to be purchasing that package and using the SCT system for tuning multiple vehicles. But of course, there are customers all around the world who want the ability to tune their own vehicle, and this can be accomplished using the SCT Pro Racer package. Now, this essentially provides a tuning module that is then linked or limited to one particular vehicle. This allows the owner of that vehicle flexibility to make tuning changes, although some of the more advanced options in the tuning menus are locked out.
If you like that video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already a subscriber, make sure you're subscribed. We release a new video every week. And if you like free stuff, we've got a great deal for you. Click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson.